Eric knew the whereabouts of a Great Green Macaw's nest. After visiting a couple of times with no luck, we set up first thing in the morning and at a distance to avoid disturbing them, and waited. The mist finally cleared, and at last this rare bird made an appearance. The green macaw is the largest parrot in their natural range and the third heaviest parrot species in the world. They are critically endangered, and as of 2020 there was estimated to be only 1,000 individuals left in the wild and an estimated breeding population of no more than 35 pairs in Costa Rica.